So by default, if I were to go ahead and tell it to, let's say, for example, I'm going to say something about what a computer is, then it simply goes ahead and then gives me a straightforward answer. So it says a computer is programmable electronic device. So it gives a very formal answer right here. What I can actually do is click on plus, and you can see that right now the style here is normal, but you can make it more formal or explanatory, or you can go ahead and click on learning as well. So now I'm going to see the same thing right here. And then what happens is that it'll go ahead and tell it in a more learning way right here. So you can see that it is still same right here, just like this, but I'm just going to go around and say, tell more about it because I want to learn. So what happens is that depending on what style you chose right here, it'll go ahead and give me this information in a more, let's say for example, learning format. But let me just go around right here and click on new chat right here. And then let's just go ahead and cross it out. And then in style, I'm going to go ahead and click on create and edit style right here. So you can see that these are the different styles. So I'm simply going to go around over here. You can see that you can go ahead and then add writing example or describe the style right here. So I'm just going to go around and say describe generally right here and say as a joke. So any topic is funny. Let's say for example right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this style right here. So basically tell everything as a joke right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate out a style right here. And as you do that, what happens is that this is what you have. So this is the custom style that you have, information, deliver information in a witty way. So let's just go ahead and use this style. And over here, you can see that I got a comic relief style, which is a witty style, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to say, what is a computer right here, just like this. And as you do that, what happens is that it'll use this particular style. And it says a computer is a glorified rock that we thought to do math really fast. More specifically, it is an electronic device that takes information input, processes it out, and spits up result output. The key ingredients is hardware, the physical bits you can kick when it freezes, the screen, keyboard, processor, memory, and so forth. So you can see that it gives me the information as, let's say for example, as joke right here. Apart from that, what you can actually do is you can even go ahead and enable web search. So if you enable web search, it allows you to go ahead and search the web. But if it is, let's say for example, not turned on, you can see, can you search for current gold price? So let's just go ahead and ask that in. Then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then, let's say for example, it's searching, but it says I don't have connection tool for market data right here. And it tells me what I should be looking into. But if I were to go ahead and click on new chat, I can go ahead onto web search. And then what I can do is say, let's say for example, can you search online for current gold prices? Let's say for example, right here. And now my web search is turned on. So it is actually searching for the web, and as it found the current market price, you can see that it gives me the current market price right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the web search settings and then style settings inside of Claude AI. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe